chose the movie Titanic. You have a mic right there.
Let's take it off, I think.
So the days in which we used to do a quarterly release, carefully tested, you know, we had acceptance tests, integration tests, and everyone in the company sat around and put something out, are long gone. Now we're told you have to do continuous deployment and ship to production before you're ready. But frankly, 75% of all venture-backed capital startups fail anyway. So your dreams of working for a unicorn and changing your life are pretty fucked. So you might as well just get used to the idea that you're going to fail and just go with releasing everything straight into production without testing. Now, we are engineers and we are professionals, so even in this dangerous circumstance, we want to make sure that people believe we have taken the right steps to ensure some kind of success. After all, releasing to production when your team have only done TDD, well, TAD, well, fuck all unit tests, is actually quite scary. And so you're probably thinking, what can I do to help manage this situation? The problem with production is that it was created by a member of your team who, while they promised to document it all on a wiki, when you come to look for the exact page that you need in that moment in time, it is not fucking there. And the best you can probably hope for is a note saying, I must document this. And this old lady's memories of her dead husband are going to be lost when your server crashes. So you heartless bastards better do something about the new world that we live in before she ends up weeping because you've ruined her life. And it's too late when the servers are on fire for you to actually turn around and say, I wonder what we should have done about predicting that GC pause before it happened. So in the new world, there's a new rule, and that rule is that you have to monitor everything. It's important, by the way, to make sure that your team actually have the keys to get into the monitoring tool and see what's going on, particularly without logging on to about 5 password databases, so that they don't have to actually deal with that when the time comes. My code is flying! As well as monitoring our applications, we also need to care about security. Because the problem may not come simply from our own incompetence, it may come from bad people who want to ruin everyone's lives. So we should take advice from professionals on this matter and make sure we listen to everything they have to tell us. That it all goes south and PagerDuty is screaming in your ear with an annoying American voice saying, PagerDuty alert, PagerDuty alert. What do you actually do apart from realising that you've lost your Authy keys, you can't remember which one was which, it's taking you 10 minutes to log on to production server you've never seen before? You appoint an incident manager who will be as a voice of calm to help everyone manage the situation and control a Slack channel where you will all speak to each other carefully and measurably like professionals during the incident. Sometimes some of your stakeholders may become upset with you. Try and sympathise with their situation during this process, but they may be depending on the uptime of your service. Your social media team are there to help you. First, by denying any status updates exist. Second, by posting cute furry cat pictures in order to distract your users from the fact that your service is actually down. It's important to remember that actually doing things during the incident probably is only going to make the whole situation worse. Most likely you will reboot entirely the wrong server, making the production system fail an even grander way than it did last time. In the modern world of microservices, obviously we have a number of bulkheads which can help prevent escalation of the problem. Particularly, all you have to do is make the login page available. I'm told that 5 microservices makes your application unsinkable. Afterwards, it's important to make sure we can blame the junior developer, so we have to hold an analysis to make sure that he is fully in the frame for what happened or went wrong. There was room for Jack on the door. There was a lot of space here, right? Jack could easily have got on the door. Look at all that space for Jack to get on that door. Rose, you fucking bitch.